Hi guys, sorry, I was like in the kitchen trying to, excuse my shirt, nobody cares. I'm like without my hijab trying to sleep, but I couldn't, so I was like watching a video and I was like, I really want to try out this, what's her name? Prinka Chopra, her mask. So now I'm in the kitchen trying to do that. So we have some gram flour. I actually didn't watch her do it, but I watched the video where people were using it. So this is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons of, they're not big tablespoon, just medium. Then I'm gonna take, I need to get another spoon actually. Well, never mind, I'm gonna use a little bit of turmeric. Well, a little bit of for me. I like a little extra turmeric actually, if you say it that way. After that, we're gonna cut our lemon. If I can find a nice and big lemons. And I'm gonna do this. Sorry, my thumb still hurt from the... Gotta get aggressive with it. Okay, well, that's quite a lemon. I could do one more squish. Get all the juice out. Oh shit, I broke it. So I get all the juice out. After that, we're gonna take a yogurt. I'm taking a non-fat yogurt. I don't know if you put a honey in it or no. I don't remember, so I'm gonna try to see if we have some honey in here. Honey. Honey is good for everything, especially like I'm gonna put everybody loves honey, right? My weakness is honey. Okay, after that we're gonna take yogurt. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna put a little bit more, and I know it's gonna be a little bit more than I thought, so I'm gonna put whatever is left out in the container. Mix it well. I put honey in it because honey is really good for your skin, and it makes everything better. Like sweetness makes everything better, right? So okay, we're gonna go to the restroom. So that's what it looks like. We're gonna go to the restroom and we'll put it on and wait for a couple minutes, then we'll see, okay? So I'm gonna take you upstairs. Okay, so now I'm in the bathroom. We're gonna, where's my brush? I already exfoliate my skin. So we're gonna take the mask, and I need my big mirror to see my face, if I can see it. so I applied, and I'm gonna come back after. I'm wearing an undershirt, and I don't know, it's just making me look weird. I don't know, just whatever. It's already messed up t-shirt, so it's fine. So I'm gonna come back in like 5 to 10 minutes, and I'll show you the results. Okay? You let me know if it changed anything. So my mask is almost dry. I'm gonna wash it off, and we're gonna see the difference. Okay? Let the warm water come out a little bit. So that's how my face looks like right now. Do I have a yellow hand? I feel like I do have a little bit yellow hand, but I'm not sure. So oh no, it doesn't have that yellow hand that I was worried about. So I'm trying to just a little bit. You gotta clean your mess. There's splash water everywhere. Alright, so that would be the end result. I don't see a difference, but you probably will. So let me know. Bye guys.